If your actions inspire others to dream more, you are a leader. I am happy to invite Dr. Arumuga Perumal, NIT, Karnataka, India, to give the keynote address. Sir, please.
Good morning. Respected Chairman Dr. Peter J. respected Vice Chairman, then Chief Guest Sri S. Rajapandian, Scientist, ISRO, then respected Principal Dr. A. Benham, then respected Vice Principal, then respected HOD Mechanical Engineering and other teaching and non-faculty members of Annai Velankanni College of Engineering, then researchers, students, dignitaries and everyone. Okay, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about various computing techniques related to the conference. A student is visiting the laboratory and conducting experiment. It really takes time, and a student who want to do means analytically, even it requires more time. Better what he can do computational technique to solve any flow problem. He can concentrate means modeling software, and he can use any computing technique related to his domain. Even you can see many research papers and many researchers working in the area of computing technique. Even according to new education policy 2020 introduced by Government of India, it encourages students to do means interdisciplinary work and intradisciplinary work related to academics. Even I strongly encourage researchers to use different computing techniques in our engineering domain. Today you can see many industry want to solve their open problems by engineers. Even there is a gap between academia and industry. Even we require a strong curriculum to meet industrial needs. It is the student duty to concentrate some particular domain related to his research, and he should study in depth, then only he can gain more knowledge. Even today's situation, the COVID-19 situation, student conducting and the same way going to institute and all is really very difficult. Better he can concentrate on means computing technique. It is very simple. He can use his laptop or computer. He can sit in his home. He can solve many real-time problems. Even you can see means nowadays very challenging problems all are using computer or laptop or any software, and they are trying to find exact solutions. Many methods you can see: finite difference method, finite volume method, like lattice-Boltzmann method, many numerical methods. Nowadays, not only undergraduate students, postgraduate, PhD students, all are working towards same way some computational solutions. Even you can see in today's world, the student should concentrate not only his curriculum or his subject, it is his duty to concentrate research also. Now, the faculties also, even not only teaching, all are doing teaching and research. Even you see many premier institutions, people are working towards means industrial needs and many work related to that is computational solution. You can see nowadays that computing technique not only means a major domain. People are working for small component also. Even not only you can use fluid, even you can use gas also to study the problem, and you can find exact solution. Suppose you see here several methods, several industrial needs related to energy, and the same way computing. Even people use several computing techniques. They always divide the domain into small problems, and they use parallel computing technique also to find out the solution. Even you can see here nowadays multiple entry, multiple exit as per Same way, new education policy 2020. A student can join some engineering like mechanical engineering. Then even he can do minor in same way ECE or computer science. Suppose if he did not get opportunity to join in that branch. Even a student who want to do some interdisciplinary work or intradisciplinary work, even he can collaborate with other university, not only in India, in abroad university also, even he can produce result. Even nowadays, many undergraduate students, they do internship at same way industry and they are trying to solve many problems. To know those things, it is your duty to strengthen your computing technique knowledge. Even several techniques are there like the finite volume method, finite difference method, lattice Boltzmann method. Even a set of points is connected together by links is called lattice and it is coming from Boltzmann equation. That is why this method is called lattice Boltzmann method. This kind of numerical method, even we study numerical method is a subject in engineering curriculum. It is your duty to concentrate that subject and you should find out the solution. You see the topic advances in materials, same way computing and communication technologies. It is your duty to relate same way materials and same way computing and communication technology. If you are well and good, you can combine all three, you can produce many results. Even I encourage young students to work in different field, okay, in different engineering field, even real-time field, okay, even they can use their computer or laptop. Even people are now using cell phone also to find out the solution. Compared with the analytical study or experimental study in today's scenario is really difficult. Even people use several computing techniques to find out the exact solution. Even you can go for some small domain also like micro channel or microchip. Even in laboratory many equipments are there. Even you can use air as a working fluid or same way means water as a working fluid. Suppose you see here fluid mechanics laboratory. Even we do experiments. Nowadays, no one is doing experiments there. We are conducting online fluid mechanics laboratory. Students is sitting in his home. Even he is doing fluid mechanical experiments. Same way using software. Even he can get the same solutions. I strongly encourage organizers to concentrate on this field even today. It is the researchers' duty to go through and all topics related to this conference really wonderful. And I thank the organizer for conducting such a wonderful conference. Thank you.